So, hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Always be learner. So, this is very short video for how to install the Git Bash on the Windows, right? Within 5 to 10 minutes, not much. So, let's get start. How we can install the Git Bash in the Windows machine. So, there are the steps which I have mentioned here. So, it will be helpful for you. Like from where you can download the Git Bash, latest version of the Git Bash. So I have mentioned here the latest URL from where you can just install your Git Bash. Yes, it is already open. You will see this is the Git Bash official URL. You can have multiple different Git versions you can download from here. So I already have installed this. So it will provide you with some tools and features like Git Bash and Git GUI and all. So once you download, it will just give you this particular executable file. I have this already installed, so I will explain you step by step how we can install. So once you download it, you will just click on this, or you can also go directly hit this URL as per your requirement or the version. It will directly download this particular executable file. Now once you install this, you will have to click on this executable file. Whenever you will click, it will just start your installation. Once Git Bash installer is done, you need to run on this. I have already installed this, so I will go from here and provide you the steps. Once you Git Bash installer is downloaded, run the executable files and follow the setup given below. It is just a uh, for just clicking the next and that will automatically done. You only need to take care few things which I am going to mention. So once Git Bash installer is downloaded, run the executable file and follow the setup given below. Just click on the next. Once you done, after clicking on the next, select the location. So where you want to install, let's say I have installed here. It will ask you where you want to install. You will go, you can take any location. I am just going to take this location, so that is why I mentioned here. It will ask you the location. Now just click on the next, and after clicking on the next, select the component which you want to install. So you can just take this components which we generally use, like Windows Explorer integration and Git large file support and all these things. So you can just take it out for your Git Bash, and after that you just only click on the next. After clicking on the next, if you want to change your folder, right, you want to change anything, you can just use that folder name over here, or you can just go with the default one. So I'm using this Git, as I already explained you. From here I will use all these things, and just clicking on the next, it will go again to ask you the adjustment your path environment. So as I said that we are going to use the Git from the Git Bash only, so I am just going to take only this one. So it is actually we will use in our Git. So this is a Git Bash, so that is why I am use Git from Git Bash only. Now don't do anything, just click on the next button, and after clicking on the next, it will ask you the SSL library. This is just for the security point of view. So it is a kind of choosing the HTTP transport backend. That is why I mentioned. Now click on the next and select which SSL library would you like to use for the HTTP connection, right? Just click on the next, and after clicking on the next, now click on the next and select configure the line ending conversion as solo. You just take the default one, checkout Windows style commit Unix Linux line endings, right? What it will do, it will provide you the convert LF to CRLF when checking out text files and everything. So it will automatically handle by the Git Bash. So don't do anything, just click on the next button. Once you click on the next, select the terminal which you want to use for Git Bash. So here also you can use the default one, use mini TTL, the default terminal, right? So this default terminal we will use, and we will just click on the next. Once you click on the next, now you have to select the features you want to enable, right? We will use these two features: enable file system caching and enable git credential manager. Don't do anything else, just click on the install. Now this is the installation button. Once you are going to click on this install button, now just wait for the installation. You will see the window like this. It will open this window where it will install. It will just show the path and everything. Once it is done, now it will just go to this particular window. It is the final one. Now here you will see it will ask you to finish. So it is the final window of where then you will click finish to exit with the setup wizard like below, right? Sorry. And now it's done. Nothing needs to do, right? We only have to do only the next. It will not create any problem because it is all mentioned, all the steps which I done in my local machine. So once you done, you just go to the Windows search path and you can just search over here the Git Bash. You can see the Git Bash here. You just click. Now it will show this particular command prompt. This is the Linux command prompt which you are going to use in your Windows machine with the help of Git Bash. You can just search here Git version. As I install different versions, so it will show me this particular version, Git version 2.2 for Windows. Now it's done. It is just showing that your Git is installed perfectly on your Windows machine. So this was the all which I just want to explain you how you can install the Git. It's very simple, no need to do anything. You just follow this step, it will help you. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching this video, and please do subscribe. Thanks for my end. Always be a learner. Thank you.